Welcome to Tech Pulse, your daily AI news update for March 6th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. Anthropic is taking the Pentagon to court, and OpenAI just dropped GPT-5.4. Here's today's AI news. Anthropic to challenge DoD's supply chain label in court. This is a major legal showdown between a leading AI company and the U.S. government. CEO Dario Amodei is arguing that the Department of Defense's designation of Anthropic as a supply chain risk is unjustified, claiming most of their customers won't be affected. What makes this particularly interesting is the timing. This challenge comes immediately after the official labeling, suggesting Anthropic was prepared to fight this from the start. Diligence Squared uses AI voice agents to make M&A research affordable. Private equity and venture capital firms are getting a powerful new tool that could dramatically reduce due diligence costs. Instead of paying management consulting firms hundreds of thousands of dollars, Diligence Squared uses AI voice agents to interview customers of target companies. This represents a significant democratization of M&A research, potentially allowing smaller firms to conduct the same level of investigation as industry giants. AWS launches a new AI agent platform specifically for healthcare. Amazon Connect Health represents AWS's focused push into the healthcare AI space, addressing critical administrative burdens that plague medical providers. The platform aims to automate patient scheduling, documentation, and verification processes, areas where human error can have serious consequences. This specialized approach shows how AI is moving from general-purpose tools to industry-specific solutions with built-in compliance considerations. U.S. reportedly considering sweeping new chip export controls. These proposed controls represent a significant escalation in the global semiconductor regulation landscape. If implemented, the U.S. government would have oversight on every chip export sale regardless of origin country, creating a comprehensive monitoring system. This could reshape global AI hardware supply chains and potentially accelerate domestic chip manufacturing initiatives in multiple countries. It's official. The Pentagon has labeled Anthropic a supply chain risk. The Department of Defense has made Anthropic the first American company to receive this controversial designation, creating a paradoxical situation where the DoD continues using Anthropic's AI in operations while labeling them a risk. This highlights the complex relationship between government agencies and cutting-edge AI developers, where technological utility conflicts with security concerns about supply chain dependencies. Luma launches creative AI agents powered by its new unified intelligence models. Luma agents represent a significant step toward truly multimodal AI systems that can coordinate across different media types. The unified intelligence framework suggests an architecture where a single model can understand and generate across text, images, video, and audio simultaneously. This could revolutionize creative workflows by providing end-to-end assistance rather than requiring separate tools for different media formats. OpenAI launches GPT-5.4 with Pro and Thinking versions. The Thinking version of GPT-5.4 suggests OpenAI is incorporating more explicit reasoning capabilities into their models, potentially addressing criticisms about AI systems jumping to conclusions without showing their work. The professional focus indicates they're targeting enterprise adoption with features optimized for business workflows, coding, and research applications, rather than general consumer use. Cursor is rolling out a new kind of agentic coding tool. Cursor's automation system represents the next evolution of AI-assisted programming, moving from reactive assistance to proactive automation. By allowing agents to be triggered by code changes, Slack messages, or timers, they're creating a development environment that anticipates programmer needs. This could significantly reduce repetitive coding tasks and allow developers to focus on higher-level architectural decisions. GPT 5.4 Thinking System Card. The release of a system card specifically for the thinking version suggests OpenAI is taking transparency and safety more seriously with this iteration. These documents typically outline capabilities, limitations, and safety measures, providing researchers and developers with crucial information about how the model works and where it might need additional safeguards or monitoring. Introducing GPT-5.4. The 1M token context window represents a massive leap in what these models can process and remember in a single session, potentially enabling analysis of entire books or complex code bases. The emphasis on professional work capabilities suggests OpenAI is competing directly in the enterprise AI market, where reliability, efficiency, and specialized functionality matter more than consumer-friendly features. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's news shows AI moving in multiple directions simultaneously. More powerful models from OpenAI, specialized industry applications from AWS, creative tools from Luma, and growing regulatory challenges with Anthropic's legal battle. The common thread is AI becoming more integrated into professional workflows while facing increased government scrutiny. Don't forget, if you found this rapid AI news update valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for daily breakdowns of the most important developments in artificial intelligence. What story surprised you most? Let me know in the comments below.